guys, so if you've seen my style evolution video, then you may know that I have been trying to build a little bit more of a vintage inspired wardrobe over the past few years. I don't generally go shopping a lot. I tend to only buy a couple of items that I really like and then wear those for years and years and years on end. But there are a few set moments that I do go shopping, and one of those is over the summer holidays. When I go to visit my family, I really enjoy going shopping with my grandma. So even though I really try to limit the amount of stuff that I buy at fast fashion stores and buy more secondhand, that is one occasion when I still enjoy kind of browsing through normal stores, but I do really try to limit the amount of stuff that I buy. I also visited some thrift stores over summer, and I have some true vintage from my grandmother's closet, which she gifted to me. So today I thought I would do kind of a collective haul of all of these things that I got over the summer and share it with you, because I'm really excited about these items. They're really nice pieces that I know I'll get a lot of wear out of. They're all in that kind of modern meets vintage style that I'm really into right now. First, I have some tops. First thing that came into my hands is this top right here. It's a really basic high neck kind of, I believe this is called a mock neck t-shirt with a kind of ribbed pattern, and yeah, it's just a very basic kind of plain t-shirt that will go with pretty much anything, but I bought this specifically to go with all of my high-waisted trousers and skirts that I've been wearing. So this is an absolutely perfect item to go with that. I think this will be very useful for that transitional period between summer and autumn when temperatures get a little bit colder, but it's not quite sweater weather yet. So yeah, really excited about this one. Then the next item is a little bit more exciting, but I got it with pretty much the same intention as I did the black top. Oh, by the way, the black top is from New Yorker, but the other item that I'm expecting to wear in pretty much the same way as the black top is this top right here. It is a full lace kind of shorter top. I wouldn't say crop top, but it comes down to right below waist, and it is all lace. It is absolutely gorgeous. It has scalloped edges all around, so on the bottom and the sleeves and the front and back. It has a V-shaped neckline on both the front and the back, and this is just so pretty and so flattering. It's super romantic and feminine looking, and I absolutely love this, again with high-waisted skirts and high-waisted trousers. It's just a really nice item that can be dressed up or dressed down, and I have worn this a couple of times and gotten loads of compliments. So yeah, I really love this. And I got this at Zara. I really love this. Super cute. We'll get loads of wear out of this. So the next top is one that I don't necessarily intend to wear a lot in my kind of daily life, but this is one that I got for videos specifically. I like to have something in my closet, like an item of clothing, a top that kind of resembles clothing from a certain time period in history. There are a few historical kind of eras that come back in my videos time and time again, and I just like having options for clothing for, you know, to wear in those videos. I have a pretty good collection of historical looking items, but I was really missing an early 20th century style top. So I found this, and I thought this would be absolutely perfect. It is neutral enough that I feel like it would work with many different outfits, but it definitely has that kind of Edwardian, late Victorian feel to it, with the high neckline and the lace and the kind of low shoulder thing going on. It also has that kind of gathered sleeve at the bottom, which is perfect for that time period, and this is just really cute in general. The lace and then the kind of minimal design is modern enough that I think I could wear this even if I wanted to in a kind of more modern outfit. I already wore this in my last Edwardian hair tutorial, and I am just really excited to have something like this for that purpose. So this one was from the store Reserved. The next item is one that I am incredibly excited about, and this is also from Reserved, and it is this dress right here. It is long, it comes down to just below my knees. It is kind of like a almost trench coat style, but the fabric is nice and light, so it's definitely a dress and not kind of outerwear. I love the 3/4 sleeves. I love that it comes with the belt. I love the double-breasted buttons in the front, and I just love everything about this. The pattern, the color, the cut, the length, everything. This is absolutely perfect. Also love the thickness. This is going to be so good to wear in autumn. It's a nice and heavy fabric. I won't be cold in this, and I will be able to wear this even up until winter probably, and I'm really excited about that. It's an instant vintage look. I absolutely love it. So gorgeous, and I cannot wait to wear this. I'm sure I'm gonna pretty much live in this in autumn. Now, the next item has a little bit of a story behind it. I was away on summer camp with my Explorer Scouts a few weeks ago, and we had a day in the city. We were visiting Cologne, which is, by the way, absolutely gorgeous city. I love that place. But we were headed out to dinner that night, and the kids insisted that we all dress fancy, and apparently the outfit I had brought wasn't fancy enough for their taste. So we all just kind of hopped into Primark to buy ourselves something fancy for that dinner that night. And I actually ended up finding an item that I absolutely love, and I'm so glad that I bumped into this. It is this here jumpsuit, I guess. Yeah, it's a jumpsuit. It is black with polka dots. It has buttons down the front. It has that vintage neckline in the front. It's just really pretty, really flattering. Short sleeves, and then it has those kind of culotte length pants, legs. What do you call this part of an outfit? Yeah, it's culotte length, wide leg, really pretty, really nice for summer. Also comes with a waistband that you can tie into a bow, and it's just so cute. Again, super simple to just throw on and have pretty much a complete outfit with a little bit of red lipstick. Perfect to go. I have worn it a couple of times already since I got it. I feel really good in this. It's so comfortable and so cute, and definitely that perfect mix of kind of vintage and modern that I absolutely love, because the bottoms are definitely modern, but the top looks really vintage. So yeah, really happy with this as well. All right, now let's move on to the items that I got secondhand or vintage. The first item is from a vintage store in Amsterdam, and I absolutely love this. I saw this in the store and I was like, this better fit me because I'm buying this no matter what. And I tried it on and it does fit, and it is just the perfect thing that I have been looking for a very long time, and it is this skirt right here. Is this not just autumn in a skirt, guys? It is a circle skirt. It is massive. It's going to be perfect for twirling in. It has that gorgeous autumnal plaid with brown and beige and just all the colors that I love. It has a little waistband. It's the perfect length, and I am so happy with this. I kind of suspect this being homemade, maybe, because it doesn't have any labels anywhere, and the stitching isn't always completely regular, especially around the bottom. It is missing a button here on the closure on top, so I'm gonna have to fix that. But other than that, this is just the perfect item, and I'm so happy I found this, and I cannot wait to wear this. Again, I think I'm gonna live in this on all days that I'm not wearing that dress this autumn. And this is gonna be perfect with some of the tops that I bought, and I cannot wait to start wearing this. I might just start wearing this right now, even though we're still in full summer here in the Netherlands, just because I'm so excited. Oh, and it has pockets. Did I mention it has pockets? Pockets. And then I have a few items, like I mentioned, from my grandma that she used to wear when she was younger. So first of all, I have this set right here that has a top. It's really summery, floral. A top and then a matching skirt. This was actually hand sewn by my late grandpa, which makes it extra special, but it is also just super gorgeous and really flattering, and I absolutely love this. So I'm really excited. It fits me. I have worn this a lot already over summer. It's just such a kind of happy, summery thing. I believe this is 70s, 60s, but yeah, really, really cool. Absolutely love that. And then I have another dress in the same category, and that is this one. Again, pretty much knee length, maybe a little bit higher than that dress. Nice floral. I absolutely love this print. I do think I'm gonna have to make the straps a little bit longer because I'm a bit taller than my grandma, but other than that, I think this is absolutely perfect. And that comes with a little vest as well. I just dresses it up a bit, so it's a nice black one with an edge of that same floral material, and I absolutely love this. Perfect for summer. Summers have been getting longer here in the Netherlands and more intense over the past few years. Temperatures are getting higher and summer just lasts longer. We used to have the shortest summer ever, but summers here are becoming more and more like the summers in Central Europe. So it's good to have some new summery clothes. So that is everything I got, guys. I really hope you enjoyed my little haul. I don't do these a lot on my channel, again, because I just don't go shopping a lot. The more time goes on, the more kind of doubtful, I guess, I feel about promoting buying more clothing. When I do these, I just really hope that whoever watches them is conscious of their purchases and doesn't just, you know, go out and buy stuff just because I have it, but only buys things if they genuinely love them and are going to use them for a very long time. But every once in a while, it's really fun to do just an good old haul video like this. So I hope you enjoyed it, guys. If you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for loads more beauty and lifestyle content. If you'd like to support me through Patreon or my merch store, there'll be links in the description box below. Thank you so much for your support. There is another video here that I think you might also enjoy. You can go watch next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!